Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Dhruvie Khanna. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing review. So अभी new phone launch हुआ है OnePlus का, that is OnePlus Nord, and मैं उसका unboxing review देने वाली हूँ. So let's go. So guys, ये आ गया हमारा phone like that. एंड इसका मुझे सबसे पहले कलर कॉम्बिनेशन इसके बॉक्स का बहुत अच्छा लगा. सो अभी मैं इसको खोलने वाली हूँ. सो इट लुक्स लाइक दैट, नॉर्ड एंड लाइक दैट. सो लेट्स ओपन इट. आई जस्ट लव दिस टर्कोइज एंड ब्लैक का कॉम्बिनेशन. आई जस्ट लव इट. सी, इट्स सो ब्यूटिफुल. ओके, सो आते ही फोन है हमारे पास. सो it comes in this little plastic cover. So we'll see this later. We keep it here. See what else we have in this box. So this box now looks like this, and I'm opening it. So it has this little envelope kind of thing. Whoa, we have OnePlus cover. Then we have the data cable and the charger. Then let's open this envelope. So it has this. So I'm opening it. Whoa, yeah, this cute little pin. Then we open this and we have a membership card. Then we have safety information, everything. It's like big. Then it has a quick start guide. Then we have this OnePlus Nord sticker. Oh, we can place it, but where? Okay. And it has the material names and everything in plastic recycling. This is done, and now there's something more in this. So there's a welcome letter. See, it's beautiful, right? Okay, I'm really excited for this one. So this way, Nord, and it has this film. So we're going to open film. Okay, just keeping it here. Whoa, this is beautiful. Can you see that? It's really beautiful. Very beautiful. So guys, overall I like the phone very much. And it just comes in a beautiful packing, and it's beautiful itself also, so I love it. So guys, I am done with my OnePlus Nord review, and hope you enjoyed this short video. And if you like more such videos, don't forget to let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back with another video yet again.